welcome you all to the first tutorial of week 1 of differential equation for engineers. Myself Guru Bachan from Department of Mathematics, IIT Jodhpur. I am working in the area of vector geometry and dynamical systems. Today we discuss the week 1 lectures tutorials. You can say some problems related to the uh, variable separable form or homogeneous equation, homogeneous type equation, exact equation, and exact type. So I'm using the word type here. We can convert into the homogeneous original equation, or we can convert the equation into the exact equation. So I'm just writing the first question. So then we will discuss it. I hope I am audible to everyone and my screen is visible to everybody. Kindly confirm. Okay, thank you, sir. So solve. Try this one. So be able to get it like from which approach we can able to solve this one, Shravan?
Sir, I think we should convert it to exact differential equation and then we should solve it.
Uh, do you think so? It is
We still need to get
easy.
homogeneous equation.
No, so do you think so? It is easy to approach in that way, or is there any other approach can be possible? See, after looking it, it is like looking like difficult problem, but when you do some manipulation, then you can get to the easy step, I think. So let's just try it. So if you observe this internal factor, what can you write it? 1 plus x square plus y square. Can you write like this? 1 plus x square plus y square into 1 plus x square. Can we write like this? And after that, it will be like this, correct? So now this will come 1 plus y square dx plus xy dy. Now, what can you comment on this? Seven. Will still we need to convert into the exact, or is there any other form?
No, sir, we don't need to convert it to exact now because we can
Exactly.
segregate those x and y terms differently.
Actually, so it's a simple method of separation of variable. So what we can do, we can keep x, y, dy to this side, and we can move to this one to this side, x square. into 1 plus y square dy. So it will give you y dy divided by and minus under root plus x square divided by x dx. Correct? You can stop me if ever I do some calculation mistake.
Okay, sir.
So if you observe from here, so we can separately integrate both the, if you will apply the integration, there will be some constant. Correct? So if you will try to solve this one, so what you have to do, you can consider it with some t. So it will give you y dy is equal to dt by 2. So this integral y dy divided by this will convert into integral dt by 2 under root t. So this will give you under root t and sorry half. So this will be some plus c1. So all over this will give you under root 1 plus y square plus c1. Right? Now what about the other integral, that is 1 plus x square divided by x, that is expression dx. So what you will do, you will consider uh, what 1 plus x square is equal to some z square. So this will give you x dx is equal to z dz. Correct? So what is the value of x square from here? If you will observe, this is z square minus 1. Correct? So here you have some factor of x, and here, so if you will observe from here, then dx can be written as z by x dz, and again dividing by x, this will give you z by x square dz, which will provide you dx by x is equal to z by z square minus 1 dz. So this integral will convert into by x dx. This will give you integral. What is the value of this? Z, and dx by x will give you z by z square minus 1 dz. So this will give you z square divided by z square minus 1 dz. So this will provide you minus 1. I'm adding and subtracting 1. So this will give you z plus 1 by 2 ln z minus 1 divided by z plus 1 plus some p2. So why this one? So I'm just writing under root x square minus a square dx. This is equal to 1 by 2a ln x minus a divided by x plus a plus some c dash. So I'm applying this one. So what is the value of z? So it was, you have assumed that from here z can be written as under root 1 plus x square. So it will give you under root 1 plus x square plus half ln under root 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by under root 1 plus x square plus 1 plus some c2. Okay. So suppose this is your third one, and this one is your second one, and this one is your some first one. So we know the value. We have found out the value of this integral. We have found out the value of integral this. We can put it directly into this. So first one is under root 1 plus y square. First one is under root 1 plus y square, which is equal to with negative sign, since it was in negative sign in first equation. So this will give you ln under root 1 plus x square minus 1 1 plus x square plus 1 plus what was constant there? There was c and one c1 is here, one c2 is here. So I can combine all of them with some c dash. So I'm directly writing where c dash is nothing but c minus c1 plus c2. So this is your general solution of the differential equation. Or more precisely, I can write like this: under root 1 plus y square plus under root 1 plus x square plus half ln under root 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square plus 1 plus c1 sorry equal c1 dash is the general solution of the given differential equation. Now, for which values of x for all x except so if you have learned the lectures or see the lectures, so you get to know that there are some steps where the differential equation, or you can say the equation, is not defined. For example, if you observe this equation number one, can you tell me, is there any restriction you need to apply so that this equation becomes validated? Anyone? Chavan, did you understand my question? See,
So can you repeat for once?
so I'm saying, um, if you have observed the lectures of differential equation, there is one lecture in which sir has told about the domain for which the differential equation is valid. So while you finding out the solution, you came to this equation one step. So can you guess at which point you have to exclude from the domain so that it becomes well
X should
defined?
not be equal to.
Exactly. So x should not be equal to 0. So except x equal to 0. Okay. So that means domain will be, if I would write specifically, domain can be all x belongs to R, or you can say R minus 0. If I'm talking about x. Okay. So is it clear? Shall I move to the next one? Or you have any doubts, then you can ask, please. Okay, I'll assume that you get to know. So the second one is solve dy by dx is equal to sine x plus 2y plus cos x plus 2y. Try this one and let me know your answer. Then we will discuss it. Did you get any approach? Which kind of approach we have to follow in this case?
Sir, we can take x plus 2y is equals to v. So we can generate a equation from there.
Okay, so what is your equation that has been converted
So,
into?
sir, we will take x plus 2y is equals to v. So, sir, we can get 1 if we integrate, if we differentiate with respect to x, we will
Yes.
get 1 plus 2 dy by dx is equal to dv by dx. From
Okay.
that, we can solve this differential equation.
So did you get any what conclusion or answer?
No, sir, I am actually stuck on last step.
Okay. So let's just try it here. Um, what we will do, we will substitute x plus 2y is equal to some v, and we will differentiate with respect to x. What it will give you? It will give you 1 plus 2 dy by dx is equal to dv by dx. So this will give you dy by dx is equal to dv by dx minus 1 divided by 2. Kindly stop me wherever you felt there is any mistake or there is any typo done by me. dv by dx minus 1 divided by 2. This will give you sine v plus cos v. So if you will solve it, the dv by dx will be 1 plus 2 sine v plus cos v. So from here we will get dv 2 sine v. So there will be 2 cos 2, 2 cos v equal to dx. So you need to integrate this one, and suppose there is some c dash constant. So you need to do this explicitly, like dv divided by 1 plus 2 sine v plus 2 cos v. So tell me, what from here you can follow? Shravan, you stuck up in this step, or you have
No,
moved
sir,
forward?
we can take the 2 common and we can write sine v plus cos v as root 2 sine v plus pi by 4.
Okay, I am following your approach. Otherwise, I have tried with something else. So you are saying sine v plus cos v. So what you want to take it? You want to take it 1 by root 2 sine v plus pi by 4, right?
Yes, sir,
So it will be
root 2 into sine v plus pi by 4.
1 plus root 2 sine v plus 1 by 4, right?
Sir, 2 will be there, sir. 2 will be there
Yeah,
before root.
yeah. 2 root 2. Is it so?
Yes, sir, I was stuck on this last step now. From here, where should we go?
So you want to integrate this one with respect to v, and here is a trigonometric expression involved. So is there any possibility or any other way that you can follow up? Think about it. Any half angle formula or something? See, if here it was only sine v plus cos v, then this will be valid. But there is an addition of one. Moreover to it, here is 2 under root 2. If here will be some 2 type thing, like for example 2 sine v plus pi by 4, then also you can do it by applying some half angle formula or something. You can try. But in this scenario, I think this method will get you stuck up in at some position. So what I have done, you know half angle formula of this sine v and cos v in terms of 10. So what it is? dv 1 plus, you know that sin v is equal to 2 tan v by 2 divided by 1 plus,
1 square a by 2.
yes. And what about cos v? So this will be 1
1
minus,
minus tan square v by 2 and 1 plus upon 1 plus tan square v by 2.
correct. So by this one, you will get here 4 tan v by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square v by 2. Correct? So let me just a little create some space here. So this will give you next. Again, it is 2 minus 2 tan square v by 2 divided by 1 minus 1 plus tan square v by 2. So I hope it is clear now that we have to take the LCM and we have to convert this 1 plus tan square v by 2 into secant square v by 2. So this will give you, and I have just skipped one step. I have taken the LCM and I have take this denominator to the numerator 1 plus tan square v by 2, which is nothing but equal to the secant square v by 2. And it will give you 1 plus tan square v by 2 plus 4 tan v by 2. Kindly let me know if I am missing some major steps that you are not getting, or if I'm going too fast, then you can stop me and tell me so that I will let you know in slow speed. So let's just simplify a little. So this will give you, so this will be give you 3 plus 4 tan v by 2 and minus tan square v by 2 dv. Is it correct till now? So now what you can do, you can put tan v by 2 some z. And what is differentiation? This will give you secant square v by 2 dv 2 times of z. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So it will give you 2 times of dz divided by 3 plus 4 times of z minus z square. Is it fine till now? So what you can do here, you can look completing the whole square. So this will give you 2 times dz. So if you will take minus common, this will be z minus 2 whole square. And what it will be here? 7. Correct? You can check it. So again, with that dx by a square minus x square, this will give you 1 by 2a ln a minus x divided by a plus x with some constant. I'm applying this one. So this will give you 2 divided by, so this will be under root 7 whole square. Correct? So this will give you ln under root 7 minus z plus 2 under root 7 plus z minus 2 with mod plus some constant c1. So this will give you, if you will solve a little, 1 by under root 7. So what was the value of z? 10v by 2. So this will give you ln 2 plus under root 7 minus 10 v by 2 divided by under root 7 minus 2 plus 10 v by 2 plus some c1 constant. Again, so this is your one side of your solution. Suppose second, and but from where we have started from here. So this one is first. So RHS is simple. This is x plus c dash sum. So I can directly write it. Now this will give you under root 7 ln 2 plus under root 7 minus 10 v by 2 divided by under root 7 minus 2 plus 10 v by 2 which mod is equal to some x plus c dash minus c1, which you can again write some constant c. It is arbitrary constant, so you can replace like this. Now, can you confirm? Is it the answer, or I have to put something else also?
Sir, the value of v.
Good. Since we have put x plus 2y, I think 2v, so we have to put this values back. So 2 plus under root 7 minus 10 x plus 2y by 2 divided by under root 7 minus 2 plus 10 x plus 2y by 2 it's mod x plus c. So this will be the is the required general solution of the given differential equation. So I hope till now it is clear. If you have any doubt, please ask. Otherwise, I will invite the next question. Okay. Then let me write the next question. The question number 3. And question number 3. Solve y 1 plus x plus cos y dx x plus ln x minus x sin y dy equal to 0. You have to solve this differential equation. So try this one by yourself. Then we will discuss it. Did you get any idea like which type of differential equation you categorize it into?
Sir, we can go with the exact differential equation with mn and consideration.
Okay. So will it coming out to be exact?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Solve it, then let me know what is your answer. And it will be good and welcome you all to that if you can also tell the answer or you can participate in the discussion. So this tutorial is meant only about the discussion, clarifying your doubts. So this is a problem solving session. You don't need to be that silent. So did you get any answer, Shravan?
Just a second, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt that that
Yes.
x naught and y naught. Uh,
Okay.
for x naught, we cannot take zero because if we take ln zeros, and we cannot get the value.
Okay.
Should we go with 1 comma 0?
Yes, you can go. And I will let you know without that X naught and Y naught also. And then I mean alternative approach.
Sir, I've got an answer.
And what is that?
Sir, yx minus y by x square plus x cos y plus cos y is equal to c.
Can you repeat, please?
Sir, yx minus y by x square plus x
Okay.
cos y plus
Okay.
y plus cos y is equal to c.
So your answer is kind of very, I mean, difficult. So let me mention here something. So first of all, we will compare with mdx plus ndy is equal to 0. And by comparing, what we will get plus x times of cos phi. And n will be x plus ln x minus x sin y. So in order to check whether the differential equation is exact, we need to calculate del m by del y and del n by del x. And you have to compare them. If they are equal, then the equation is exact. Therefore, del m, what is del m by del y? It will be 1 plus 1 by x minus x sin y. And what will be del n by del x? It will give it to you 1 plus 1 by x minus, so it will give you sin y.
Sir, in that m there
Okay.
is no x.
Yeah, actually. Thank you. So this will, from this, we can say that del n by del y is equal to del n by del x. Therefore, the given differential equation is exact. Okay. See, now from now onwards, there are two approaches. Either you can go with that approach that has been told you in the lecture, and one I will let you know. Okay, so let me first go with my approach. So, what I will prefer, see, first factor is MDX. If you observe, so you calculate first of all MDX, and I will also let you know why I'm doing like this. MDX. So this will be y 1 plus x plus cos y dx. Since you have to integrate with respect to x, so you need to assume y to be a constant. So it will give you y x plus ln mod x plus x cos y plus some Now, what will be the constant? You let me know. Will it be simply c, or will it be some function of some variable? Tell me. Before integrating, I have told you that we are integrating with respect to x. So what we will assume that y is a constant. So that means the arbitrary constant should be the function of y. So this will give you some g of y. If you are not understanding, then again apply here del m by del x. So if you will differentiate this with respect to x, then you will get from here y 1 plus 1 by x and x cos y. And since you are differentiating with respect to x, then g of y will be 0. So I hope now you understand why there is a function of y rather than not only constant. So assume that this is some u. Okay. Now, what is the other factor? The other factor is something like this and dy. So you need to find such value. So from here, if you will observe that there is an approach told in the class that del m by del y, del n by del x, these are equal. So what you can say, if you will calculate sum this u, so what will be del u by del y? From here, observe that del by del y of mdx. So calculate del u by del y first. Then you will get to know. So this will give you, this is your u. Shavan, tell me, are you there?
Yes, sir. X plus ln x
X plus ln x,
plus x sin y.
x sin y. Think about it. X
Sir,
sin
minus
y.
minus
Good.
x sin
Minus x sin y plus
plus g dash of y.
g dash of y. Okay. So you got this one del u by del y. Okay. And if you will observe, this del u by del y is nothing but n. So what is the value of n? I will let you know why I'm doing this. What is the value of n? X plus ln x minus x sin y. So put here x plus ln x minus x sin y, and on RHS this is x plus ln x minus x sin y plus g dash y. Now from here it is very clear that g dash y is nothing but equal to 0. Now since g dash y is equal to 0, then gy will be constant. Can I say this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if this is constant and this was your integration mdx, correct? So put it in this value. So this will give you integration. Oh, sorry. What was this? Y y into x plus ln mod x. There is a little typo, I think. No. Plus x cos y plus c equal to 0. This will be your answer of the exact differential equation. Now you can even verify it by differentiating it. Differentiate first of all with respect to x. What you will get? Differentiate with respect to x. So this will give you 1 plus 1 by x plus cos y into dx. And now with respect to y, this will give you x plus ln x minus x sin y dy. Is it the same differential equation that you are searching for? Whose
Yes,
solution
sir.
you are searching for? So why it is happening like this? Can you guess it? Can you guess it? Why it is happening such things? Same. Since your first order partial derivative, that is del m by, is nothing but del n by del x. Okay. Now, if you will observe, what we have done, del u by del y. So it will be, can you see this? Let me rewrite it. Can you say this? Del square by u del x by del y, del square by u del y by del x. For any continuous function u, can you say this?
Yes, sir.
So if you can say this, I have used this one approach only. Okay. So I have used these both the terms since they are equal. I have used this equality to get to approach from this manner. Since we can change the del x del y. So from here, I have first calculated m dx, that is something u, and I have differentiated with respect to y. So it can be, order can be changed. Now this is equal to n value, and I have compared the terms and I get to the our solution of the differential equation. This is one approach. And the other approach is that you have been learned from the class. So let me mention here. From here, it is method 1. Now directly from the formula, or you can say method 2. See, one method is itself only m dx plus integration of only those terms of n that is independent of x. I hope it is visible, or shall I write again?
No, sir, it is visible.
So this is equal to some constant. I'm saying this. There is one formula, I have told you one more. So from here, observe that. What was mdx? Mdx is this one, same. This was mdxr. So this will give you y plus y into x plus ln x. Or observe here one more thing. I can write without x also. I mean without mod also. Observe here, we have given ln x. So it is quite clear that our domain x is not equal to 0, and in fact x is not even negative also. Okay. If it is so, then there should be some mod. Okay. So this is our domain. So I can directly write ln x also. So ln x plus, next one is x cos y. This is your first part. Now observe from the second part. Is there any term that is independent of x? Observe. What is your n? This is your n. Observe from here. Is there any term independent of x? That is only in y, I mean. Is there any term? See, first term is itself x. So it is not, you cannot say it is independent of x. Second term, again in x. Third term, it involves x and y both. But what I have written? You have to write only those terms that are independent of x. So since there is no term, so you can write it 0, dy is equal to c, y, x ln x plus x cos y is equal to c. This is method number 2. Now the last one is method number 3, that is from the lecture. So we have to choose some x naught, y naught. In general, we take 0, 0. Since I have let you know that the domain is You can say directly x greater than 0. So since x is greater than 0, in fact, ln x cannot be defined for 0 or negative. So what can be the easiest way to take ln? What can be the easiest way to take the point? You can simply take 1 comma 0. Now tell me, Shravan, what is the formula to calculate its solution?
Sir, in the end term, we will replace the x by x naught.
Okay. So x naught to x m dx plus what was the next?
Y naught to y.
So let me more precise. M p y dt plus y naught to y n next x naught comma
Not comma
t1
t.
dt1 is equal to c. Correct? It was the solution told you in the class. Now do with this 1 to x. Again, this was y 1 plus 1 by x plus, since we are writing in terms of t, so 1 plus 1 by t. Again, it was, what was the m? Cos y. So it will be directly cos y. This one dt plus y naught to, yani that means 0 to y. Correct? So x naught equal to 1 we have to put in this particular equation. What it will give you? 1 plus ln 1 minus sin y, sin t1, since we are writing t1. So it will be nothing but 1 minus sin t1. Correct? So 1 minus sin t1 dt. But are you getting to this step, Shravan?
Yes, sir.
You came through this step or you missed it?
Came to this step, sir.
Okay. So now integrate this one. Y into t plus ln mod t plus t sin y 1 to x. Now this will give you t1 plus cos t1 0 to y is equal to some constant y x plus ln x. Again, I told you since domain is positive, you can remove the mod. X, you didn't tell me this is cos, so this is cos y. Now, if you will put 1 here, so this will give you y plus cos y. Now, the next term will give you y plus cos y, and if you will apply 0, so what it will come out? Tell me. This will
Plus one,
be
sir.
0 plus 1 is equal to constant. Now, observe that these two terms are cancelling. So, this will give you y x plus ln x plus x cos y, and I can write it some c dash, where c dash is nothing but c plus. Now why are you getting those complicated expression? Have you able to
Sir, I
observe
had
it?
I had taken that 1 by x to a minus 1 by x square in the integration.
Okay, so I hope it is clear now from
Yes, sir.
all of the method. Okay, so let me just write the next question. I think it will be question number 4. um, so it is like this: 3y minus 7x plus 7 into dx plus 7y minus 3x. Okay, wait. Let me write before this and something little smaller version of this. X cube plus y cube dx. minus x square y plus xy square dy is equal to 0. Do this one. Try this one first. Did you get to know the type of the equation? Which kind of equation is this? If you will rewrite this one, it will give you x cube plus y cube. I hope it is clear that it is a homogeneous kind of equation. So what you will do in homogeneous kind of equation?
We'll
You
take
sub
some y is equal to vx.
y equal to vx. Okay. So I hope you get it. Now try to solve it and tell me the answer. Is it seems to be done?
Sir, is the answer ln x is equals to v plus ln v minus 1 plus c?
Um, can you solve in terms of x and y?
Ah, okay, sir. I will take the value
Yeah,
v.
it will be great.
Sir, y by x is equals to ln x square by y minus x plus c.
Hmm, I think it is not. Let, let me try here. So, what we have to do, we have to take y is equal to x times v. So this will give you dy by dx is equal to x dv by dx plus v. So what I have done, I have differentiate with respect to x. So since you got this one, and from here, this will be the equation one will convert v x dv by
Excuse me,
dx.
sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, is the answer y by x plus ln x minus y is equal to c?
Uh-huh. Plus ln x minus y.
Yes, sir.
There
Mod
will
x
be
minus y.
minus ln x minus y.
Okay, sir.
Minus.
Okay, sir.
Um, from here, we will get x cube plus x cube v cube divided by x cube v x cube v square. So if you will simplify it, it will give you by dx 1 plus v cube divided by v plus v square minus v. If you will solve it, it will give you x 1 plus v cube minus v square minus v cube divided by v plus v square. So v plus v square divided by 1 minus v square dv is equal to dx by x. I hope till now it is clear to everybody. Oh, this is some c dash. So what it will give, if you will solve it, if you will take v common, then it will be this, and this will be ln mod x plus c dash. From here, what you can say, x cannot be 0, and from here you can say v cannot be 1, and in fact from here you can say, so v cannot be 1, that means y cannot be equal to x. So if you will solve it and you will add 1 and subtract 1, what it will give you? So add 1, so it will be 1 minus 1 by v, and subtract 1. So this will give you ln mod x plus c dash. So this will give you minus ln mod 1 minus v minus v ln mod x plus c dash. So if you will write it, ln 1 minus y by x minus y by x is equal to ln mod x plus c dash. So if you will solve a little, this will give you minus ln mod x minus y, and it will be plus ln mod x minus y by x is equal to ln mod x plus c dash. So what this will give you, y by x plus, you were getting this one, plus 1.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are correct. I hope we have not made any kind of calculation error.
Sir, I think in last second step you have written ln x, ln mod x two times.
No, observe from here. Here it will be x minus y divided by x, correct?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So
Okay.
okay, understood. So I hope, let's see, since we are doing so much calculation, so there might be some sign or something typo, so you can ignore it. You can focus on the approach, how we were doing it, rather than taking out my mistakes. So let me give you a similar kind of question. Question number 5. Solve 3y minus 7x plus 7 dx 7y minus 3x plus 3 dy is equal to 0. Try this one. This is some kind of similar to the fourth question, so you can do it easily. Try this one. Did you find out the kind of which kind of equation is this?
Sir, we can put the value of y is equals to y plus something k, and x is equals to x plus h, capital X plus h. So we can go to form into a homogeneous equation, and we can solve the equation.
Good. So good to go. Tell me the answer then. Got something? Got any answer?
Not yet, sir.
Okay. So let me just solve a little. I hope till then you can get your answer. Okay. First of all, let us write into the simplified form. So we may write 7x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 7y minus 3x plus 3. So this is a homogeneous type equation. Why I am saying homogeneous type? I mean that we may substitute that some capital X is equal to x plus h and some capital Y is equal to y plus k, where h and k are constants. What will happen? This will convert into dy by dx is equal to 7x minus 3 capital Y plus 7h minus 3k minus 7, and here it will be 7y minus 3x plus 7k minus 3h plus 3. So what we will do, we will put these values equal to 0 and solve this one for h and k. So if
Sir.
we will, yes, 1 minute only,
Okay, sir.
minus 3k, 7 is equal to 0, we will put this and this 7k minus 3h plus 3 equal to 0. And we will solve this one for h and k. Thus, our differential equation will reduce to 7x minus 3y divided by 7y minus 3x. So clearly, it is now a homogeneous differential equation. So we just need to first solve this one. Why we need to find out the value of h and k? When you find get to the answer, suppose some y is equal to x plus c, then you have to again substitute in terms of small x and small y. So again, you have to tell the answer in terms small x and small y. So you need to find out h and k. Yes, Sean, what is your answer?
Sir, x minus 1 minus y whole square into
Okay,
x minus 1 plus y to the power of 5 is equal to c.
okay. Let's see. So from here, what is the value of h and k? You will find out by yourself. Let me first do this one. So we have to substitute y is equal to some v times of x. So this will give us, Shravan, please check the error. I'm doing it here. dv by dx plus v. So this will give you v x dv by dx. This will be 7 minus 3v, 7v minus 3. This will give you x dv by dx, 7 minus 3v divided by 7v minus 3 minus v. So this will be x dv by dx, 7v minus 3, 7 minus 3v minus 7v square plus 3v. So this will be 7v minus 3 divided by, so 3v 3v will cancel out. This will be 1 minus v square, and this will be 7 times dx by x. Is it correct till now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you will observe from the lower step, um, if you will add -4 and +4, what it will give? 7 v minus 1 divided by 1 plus v into 1 minus v. One factor is this. And what will be the other factor? That one is +4. So plus integration 4 1 minus v square dv and 7 ln is x1 plus some c dash. So this will 1 minus v cancel out, and with the negatives 7, this will give you 1 plus v. Correct? So next here, this will give you 4 divided by 2 ln 1 minus v 1 plus v is equal to 7 ln mod x plus c dash. So this will be minus 7 1 plus capital Y by x plus 2 times, sorry, 1 minus y by x 1 plus y by x 7 ln mod x plus c dash. So this will give you minus 7 ln x plus y divided by x plus 2 times of x minus y divided by x plus y is equal to 7 ln mod x plus c dash. So what was the value of h and k?
The value of h is 1 and the value of k is 0.
H is 1 and k is 0. Suppose I put, yeah, this is satisfying. So this will be the value. H is 1 and k is 0. So we need to put it small x plus y plus 1 divided by x plus 1 plus 2 times of x minus y plus 1 x plus y plus 1, which will be equal to, let me rearrange little. Hmm. So this will be equal to 7. Okay. Assume here there is mod x plus 1 c dash. So this one is getting the same answer. Sure.
Sir, I have removed the log from both the sides and I've got a
Yeah,
more
that
simple
is
answer.
also a good thing. So if you will try to remove the log from both the sides, so this quantity we can take here or we can do the vice versa. So if you will remove the log, it will be x minus y plus 1 divided by x plus y plus 1 to the power 2, and with negative sign of 7. So it will be into the division. So you are getting in the division thing, or we have done some
Sir, I
mistake?
have got the division thing. So then I have changed the. So I'm getting at last I'm getting 1 by something. So I replaced it by the constant c to 1 by c. So I replaced the
Okay,
side.
okay. So we may write it like this. So if we will move it there, 7, it will be ln x plus y plus 1 to the power 7 into c. This kind of expression I think we will get because ln x plus 1 plus ln this. So this will be x plus y plus 1 into x plus 1, and this should be cancel out. So are you getting the same answer or some different answer?
Same answer, sir.
Same answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, I'm again saying we are humans, so there might be some calculation error. You can check yourself and you can let me know even now or in the next class also. I will correct it. Okay. So let us move to the next question. Question number 7. what is it? So solve x square dy by dx plus xy under root 1 minus x square into y square. Let me just, so it was 6, sorry. So try this one.
Sir, is the answer ln x is equals to sine inverse xy plus c?
Mm, correct. ln x is equal to sin inverse x plus. Yes, correct, correct. So let us discuss it here too. So if you can observe that there is a term xy here. So what is the intuition that we should put xy is equal to some z? So differentiate with respect to x. What we will get? Y plus x dy dx is equal to dz by dx. So what it will give you? X dy by dx is equal to dz by dx minus y. So if you will multiply with this x, since here it is x square type term, so this will give you the advantage that this will be x dz by dx, and minus xy is nothing but z. I hope it is correct. So again, put these values in the given differential equation, minus z, and it will be plus z is equal to under root 1 minus z square. Okay. So what this will give you? This will give you dz by under root 1 minus z square dx by x. So if you will integrate both the sides, we will get sine inverse z is equal to ln mod x plus some constant. And what is z? Sine inverse xy is equal to ln mod x plus p. So this is your answer. I think this one is your answer too, Sharon.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I hope it is clear to everybody. Question number 7. Solve x cube minus 2y square dx 2xy dy is equal to 0. Try this one.
Sir, is the answer x plus y square by x square is equal to c?
X plus y square by x square is equal to c. Yes, correct. So what approach we can do for this one?
Sir, we can go for exactness, but it is not exactly exact. So we need to divide it by the function of n. So we can get the function of x and we can solve the integrating factor and we can multiply it and get the equation.
ठीक है. So here m is equal to x cube minus 2y square and n is equal to 2xy. Calculate del m by del y. It will be minus 4y. Del n by del x. It will be 2y. Clearly, del n by del y is not equal to del n by del x. Therefore, the given differential equation is not exact. Now, what we can do, we know del n by del x. Either we need to see this, this should come out to be function of x, or del m by del y minus del m by del x divided by minus m from g of y. Either of them case should follow. So let me see. del m by del y minus del n by del x divided by m minus n. I'm just considering to get the function. So it was minus 4y minus 2y. And what is m? X cube minus 2y square. So since it is minus m, 2y square minus x cube. So we can clearly observe this is not a function of g of y. Thus, this integrating factor or this calculation will not work. Let us try in the other way around, that is del m by del y, del n by del x divided by n. So minus 4y minus 2y divided by 2xy. So this will give us minus 3 by x. Clearly, it is some function of x. Now, what will be the integrating factor? Integrating factor is e to the power minus 3 by x dx. So this will give you e ln mod x, which will give you ln 1 by x cube, which will be 1 by x cube. So this will be our integrating factor. So multiply this integrating factor to the equation, we will get 2 1 minus 2y square divided by x cube dx plus it was 2xy, so it will be 2y by x square dy is equal to 0. I think this would be the equation. X cube minus 2y square by x cube, correct? So, okay. So this will be our differential equation. Now, our new m is 1 minus 2y square divided by x cube, and new n is 2y by x square. So let me denote in some m dash or n dash since it is different from the previous one. Del y will be equal to, although we don't need to check, I'm just checking for the clarification, minus 4y x cube del n dash del x minus 4y by x cube. So clearly del m dash by del y is equal to del m dash by del x. So now the updated differential equation is exact. So we can follow the approach of exactness. So m dash dx, first we need to calculate this. I am calculating first with my method, then we will follow this lecture one. So this will be 1 minus dx. So this will give us x and plus 2y square divided by 2x square plus function of some gy. So this will give you x plus y square divided by x square, some function of gy. Again, suppose this is some u, let's say, and then del u by del y. This will give you 2y by x square plus g dash y. And what was the value of n? Value of in the new differential equation was 2y by x square. So this will be again 2y by x square is equal to 2y by x square plus g dash of y. Again, g dash of y is equal to 0. G of y will be equal to some constant. Therefore, the solution will be x plus y square by x square, x plus y square by x square plus some constant is equal to 0. This will be our this, this general solution of the given differential equation. So this is your general solution. Now another method That is, suppose x naught y naught is equal to 0, 0. We can take 0, 0 here, or we cannot take. Tell me. Can I take 0, 0 here?
Yes, sir, we can, because in the original equation it is not upon x square or x cube.
Me, in original equation it is not x square. But since we are solving this one, na,
But we can multiply by x cube in the whole, in the left hand side and right hand side, and we can eliminate that.
are you serious? If it was the case, then why did you get this to that equation? You can apply the exact equation approach only when the equation, differential equation, is in the form of exact. If you will multiply both the sides with x, then will it be the exact differential equation?
Oh, sorry, sir.
Yeah. So see, here x cannot be 0. So again, we have to take 1 comma 0. So let us just try with this one. What was our solution? T y dt plus y naught to y n, and what was the x naught t1 dt1 is equal to some constant. So x naught to x, that means 1 to x, and what was m 1 minus 2y square divided by x cube. 1 minus 2y square divided by x cube. Since we are writing this in terms of t, so it will be t cube dt plus 0 to y, and we have to write x naught is 1. So what will be our n? N will be 2y. If we write n dash, since we are creating dash in the new differential equation, it will be 2 2 t1 dt1 is equal to c. So what it will give? This will give t plus y square by t square from 1 to x, and this will give us t1 square from 0 to y is equal to some constant. So this will provide us x y square by x square minus 1 minus y square, and this will give us y square is equal to c. So this will be x y square by x square is equal to some c dash, where c dash is equal to c plus 1. Is it clear, Sean, now this time?
Yes, sir.
So your answer is luck by chance is correct, but the approach you have to follow in this following way. You have to
Yes, sir.
take care of the domain. Um, the next question is somewhat related to this one. Um, it was 7. Again, I need from this one. This is 8. Solve y to the power 4 plus 2y dx plus xy cube plus 2y to the power 4 minus 4x dy is equal to 0. Try this one. Did you get any approach or which kind of differential equation or how you can solve it?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Which kind of?
Sir, it is an exact form only, but we need to divide by m at the end, and we need to get the integrating factor.
Okay, so this is exact type of differential equation. Type,
Okay,
right?
sir. Okay.
So tell me what is the integrating factor that you have got?
Sir, 1 by y cube.
Okay. Okay, tell me the answer then.
Sir, is the answer xy plus 2x by y square plus y square is equal to c?
Xy plus 2x by y square plus y square is equal to 3. Yeah, correct.
Okay, sir.
So it is done. Hmm. So here m is equal to y to the power 4, 2y, n is equal to xy cube plus 2y to the power 4 minus 4x. So del m by del y is equal to 4y cube plus 2. Del n by del x is equal to y cube minus 4. Clearly, del m by del y is not equal to del n by del x. If I make this as 1, then 1 is not an exact differential equation. As I told you earlier, we need to check del m by del y, del n by del x, divided by n, or either this should be the function of x del m by del y minus del m by del x divided by minus m, and this should be the function of y. So del m by del y minus del m by del x divided by n. This will give us 4y cube plus 2 minus y cube minus 4 divided by, what is n here? Xy cube minus plus 2y to the power 4 minus 4x. Xy cube, let me write from here, plus 2y to the power 4 minus 4x. So if you observe it from here, so this will not give you the function of x. So what is the other way around? Del m by del y, del n by del x divided by minus m. So this will give you 4y cube plus 2 minus y to the power 3 minus 4 divided by minus m. So minus m will be minus y to the power 4 minus 2y. So this will give you 2y cube plus 6, and sorry, will be 3y cube plus 6, and minus y if we will take common, y cube plus 2. And from above if we will take, then this will be minus 3 by y. Clearly this is a function of y. Then integrating factor will be e to the power minus 3 by y dy, which will be equal to minus 3 ln mod y, which will be ln 1 by y cube. So this will be 1 by y cube. So that means 1 by y cube will be the integrating factor of our original equation, differential equation given in 1. So we have to multiply it with this. So this will give 1 by y, oh sorry, 1 plus 2 by y square dx plus x plus 2y minus 4x by y cube dy is equal to 0. So our new m dash will be 1 plus 2 by y square, and n dash will be x plus 2y minus 4x y cube. So del m dash divided by del y is equal to minus 4 by y cube. Is there any typo? I think, yeah, there will be y. So this will be 1 minus. So del m dash by del x, 1 minus 4 by y cube. Clearly, del m by this is equal to del x. So if you will name it as this equation as 2, so the second form is exact. Then equation 2 is an exact differential equation. Sean, this time let me know what will be your x naught y naught.
Sir, 0, comma 1.
0 comma 1. Why 0 comma 1? Why not 0 comma 0?
Sir, y is in denominator, so.
Um, your answer will be x naught to x m t y dt plus y naught to y n x naught t1 dt1 is equal to some constant. So this will give you 0 to x mty. So this will be, so since it is independent of x, so it will be directly we can write it 2 by y square dt plus 1 to y and mu n dash is x plus 2y minus 4x by y cube. So since we have to put 0, so two terms become 0, it will be 2t1. I'm again mentioning, since we have to put x not equal to 0, so n will become 2y only. So this will be 2t1 pt1 is equal to c. So this will give you x into y plus 2 by y square from 0 to x plus t1 square from 1 to y is equal to c. So this will give you t. This will give you y plus 2 by y square, and at 0 it will be 0 plus y square minus 1 is equal to c. So this will be xy plus 2x by y square plus pi square is equal to c dash, where c dash is equal to c plus 1. So this will be your general solution for the given differential equation, or you can say the non-exact differential equation. So let us move to the next question. Question number 9. Find an integrating factor in the form x to the power n, y to the power n, and then solve this following differential equation: dx minus x cube y minus 3x dy. So since we have asked to find out integrating factor, then find out the solution of the differential equation. So it is quite clear the given differential equation is not exact. So you need to assume that that integrating factor must have this kind of form, and after multiplying this with the differential equation, you need to calculate such values of m and n so that the given differential equation will become the exact differential equation. So I hope the approach is clear to you. You can try this one. Then we will discuss it. Did you get any values of suitable values of m and n? If you will multiply this x to the power m and y to the power n with the differential equation, you will get m plus 2, n plus 2, dx, and this will be with negative sign, n plus 3 y to the power n plus 1 minus 3x to the power n plus 1 y to the power n dy is equal to 0. So our m will be 2x n plus 2 y n plus 2, and our n will be minus n plus 3 n plus 1 plus n plus 1 n. So del m by del y will be equal to 2 n plus 2 n plus 2 y to the power n plus 1 plus n plus 1, and del n by del x will be equal to minus 3 n plus 3 x to the power n plus 2, excuse me, and this will be n plus 1 to the power n y to the power n. So since we are assuming this to be an integrating factor, so this should be equal, and if this will be equal, so if you will compare this factor and this factor have the same variables, powers, we can say. So this will give you 2n plus 4 is equal to minus 3n minus 9. And the other side will give n plus 1 is equal to 3n plus 2. So this will imply 3n plus 2n is equal to minus 13, and n minus 3n plus n equal to give you 2. Is it the same you are getting? Okay, let me assume it is the same. So if you will add both the equation, then it will be 3n is equal to um, minus 11, and n will be equal to minus 11 by 3. If n is minus 11 by 3, then m will be equal to, or I can say 3m will be equal to minus 2 minus 11 by 3, and this will be 17 by 9. So I
Sir,
think
it would be plus 11 by 3, I guess.
plus 11 by 3.
No, sir, no, sir, no, no, sir, no, sir.
Let me check in my solution, please. So, this is minus 19. I think there is some mistake. This is 2n plus 4 is equal to, y is here 3. Okay, so there is some error we have made here, I think. There will be no 3, no involvement of 3. Since there is no involvement of 3, so this would be minus n minus 3. So from here, it will be n plus 1 is equal to 3n plus 3. So this equation remains same. Um, this will be 3m minus n is equal to minus 2. And this will come out to be m plus 2n is equal to minus 7. So we have to solve in little efforts more. So if you will multiply this one with 2 and add with this, you will get 7m minus 7. And since we are multiplying with 2, so it will be minus 4. Then m will give you minus 11 by 7. And now n will be equal to minus 33 by 7 plus 2 minus 19 by 7. So this is your m and n. Now if you will put in the differential equation this star, then we will get, so 2x to the, let me copy this one, then we will directly change the value of, or directly put the value of m and n. So what it will give, since our value of m is minus 11 by 7, so minus 11 by 7 plus 2 will be 3 by 7. So this will be 3 by 7. N plus 2 meaning minus 5 by 7, minus 11 by 7, and plus 1 means minus 12 by 7, m plus 3 meaning, tell me, m plus 3 meaning 7 3 are 21, 10 by 7, minus 12 by 7. This will give you m plus 1, that means minus 4 by 7, and this will give you n minus 19 by 7. So this will be your exact differential equation. So I am assuming it is exact since we have find out this integrating factor. Now calculate. Now what x naught y naught we can take? 0 0. Is there any problem with 0 0 this time?
No, sir.
So since there is no problem, then it will be 0 to x 2 t 3 to the power 7 or 3 by 7 minus 5 by 7 plus t to the power minus 11 by 7 y to the power minus 12 by 7 dt plus 0 to y. Now we have to put the value of x as 0. If we will put x as 0, this will be dt1 is equal to constant. So we just need to integrate this one. So this one will give you 2 t to the power 10 by 7 y minus 5 by 7 plus minus 4 by 7 y to the power minus 12 by 7 divided by, so here both factor will be different. So here it will be 10 by 7, here it will be minus 4 by 7, 0 to x constant. So this will give you 7 by 5 x to the power 10 by 7 y to the power minus 5 by 7 minus 7 by 4 x to the power minus 4 by 7 y to the power minus 12 by 7 is equal to constant. Is this the same answer? Are you getting? 7.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me just quickly write the last one, and I will not solve it completely. I will just give you the hint. Find an integrating factor as a function of x square plus y square, and then solve x plus x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 plus x square y square dx plus y dy is equal to 0. So we have given a general integrating factor form. So if you try to recall general integrating factor, for the general integrating factor form, we have formula. Suppose if mu is an integrating factor, here mu is nothing but x square plus y square. So that means my minus nx n mu x minus m mu y. Sorry, there's a mistake. Vx vy. Here v will be nothing but x square plus y square, and mu will be our integrating factor. So what is m here? M is x plus x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 plus x square y square. So what will be del m by del y? 4y cube 2x square y, and n is here y. So del n by del x is nothing but 0. So du mu by mu is equal to 4y cube plus 2x square y minus 0 divided by n vx. So what is n? N was y, and vx means 2x. So it will be 2xy. Next, what is vy? 2y. And what is m here? If you will observe that this will be nothing but x plus x square plus y square whole square. So this will give you 4y cube plus 2x square y. So 2xy will cancel out. It will give you 2y times x square plus y square whole square. So if you will take common 2y from the numerator, so it will be, is there any errors? Check this one, please. Is there any calculation error? Let me proceed with this one. 2y square plus x square divided by, I think there is some error. Let me confirm it. What it should be.
Sir, we cannot write that x square plus y square bracket square.
Yeah, actually, I just made a typo in question itself. So here it would be 2. So if it is 2, it will be 2, it will be 4. Now I think it is clear. 4, 4, and from here it will be 4 2y x square plus y square whole square. So this will give you 2 times of x square plus y square, and as I have told you, this is nothing but v. So d mu, and since d mu by b is equal to this is dv. So dv is all there. So dv, and this will give you mu is equal to 2 by v dv. Now you have to integrate it, and we will get ln mu is equal to ln cv square. I have skipped one step, then that means mu is equal to cv square. And all, since c is arbitrary constant, all cv square type of one, I mean v square, 2v square, 3v square, all are the integrating factor. So for simplicity, I will take mu equal to v square as an integrating factor. If I will take mu is equal to v square and as an integrating factor, this will give you x cube x to the power. So if you will take x mu equal to v square as a factor, then you have to multiply this with the differential equation, and you have to solve in the similar way as you do for the other other exact type of differential equation. I hope all the questions are clear. This can you solve by yourself. If there is any doubt, you can ask me in the next class. So that's all for today.
Thank you,
Is
sir.
there any doubt? Is there any doubt, or shall I end the meeting?
No doubt, sir.
Okay.